Hello, hello. I have my 2026 Beautylish Lucky Bag. I got the XL. I haven't opened her yet. I figured we'd sit down, hang out, and open it together and see what's inside because these are always fun little surprises. So I'm excited to see all that I've got and share it with you. Let's hydrate and begin. Very curious to see what we've got this year. So let's open her together and see. Hey, a little closer look-see at this year's artwork. So let me share the little note with you. For 2026, we gathered a collection of good luck charms, each one a sign that luck can find you anywhere. We hope the surprises inside remind you that good things are already on their way. Okay. So, let's see. So I'm not gonna look as I just grab. Okay, and let's see. Alright, so first thing is this. Scrunchies. These are from Kitsch. This is a 5-pack. Oh, these are nice colors. Satin scrunchies for textured and straight hair. And there are 5. So it looks to be 2 black, 2 pink, and then 1 in the middle that has that pretty color to it. Okay. Next. DANESSA MYRICKS. This is a glaze, ColorFix glazes. Waterproof, long-wearing gloss, multi-use face, eyes, and lips. I have no idea what this is. I'm sure I'm late to the party, but that's okay. At least I'm here. So I have the shade Pink Ice. I really love pink, so this is exciting. Ooh, here we go. Okay. Here is what this looks like. Like the packaging. This is a multi-purpose long-wearing liquid pigment that can be used all over your face. Okay, so I'm assuming you can use this for blush, for lips, for eyes. Nice. All right, next up, HINDASH. This is his color fluid, extreme color payoff, ultra thin and lightweight, lifting effect, super smooth, non-tacky, resist crackling and fallout. Dabbled into HINDASH a little bit. So this is that. So you're probably wondering, Mo, why aren't you opening the things? Well, as much as I would love to swatch it all for you and all of that, it's almost like a tradition here on the channel where I give away what I get in my lucky bags. So stay tuned. More details to come. All right. Next. A VISEART palette. This is, I'm not even going to try to say that. Let's not embarrass me today. There we are. The back. These are so neat. I love the packaging on them. So, ooh, look at that texture. That's beautiful. Look at that. Okay, let's see. Remember, I'm not touching anything. I'm not swatching anything because this is for one of you. Ooh. Oh, wow. Oh, this is beautiful. Wow. Can I tell you that this is actually very hard? Because I want that. Next is, I don't know. What is this? Beauty Evolution. All over color. Okay. Okay. There was like a little seal down here. Okay. This is very nice packaging. I like how simple it is as well. Such a pretty color for blush, for lips. This looks interesting. So again, this is said to be an all over color. Timeless beauty products created with carefully selected natural, wild harvested, and certified organic ingredients. Made sustainably in Italy. I might want to keep this. All right, next we have a brush. This is the sheer buffer. So I actually have the sheer buffer. I use this quite often. This looks to be the mini variation. I'm not gonna pull it out just because I'm gonna give it to one of you. I don't want to be touching your stuff, but this is what mine looks like. Mine is the full size. Here it is beside this one. This is a great brush. This is a great brush, so you'll really like this. Next, wait, what is this big old thing? Hold on. Hi, okay. Ooh. Good Molecules. This is the Energizing Eye Kit. It includes the Wake Up Eye Gel and Hydrogel patches. Two-piece kit to reduce signs of puffiness, plump the appearance of fine lines. Okay. So you get 60 patches in here, and then 15 mLs of the eye gel. Let me just peek in there. I'm not gonna touch anything, but I'm gonna peek in there. Let's see. Here we go. This looks great. Personally, you know I love my eye patches, so I love that I can give this to one of you. This looks great. So you've got that. There's more. This is from SUPERGOOP. This is the Glowscreen Golden Hour. Obviously this is a sunscreen with a pearlescent formula that hydrates the skin while acting like a luminescent primer. Oh. SPF hack. This bronze shade also doubles as a highlight wherever you want a little extra dose of sunshine. Okay. I'm just going to open so you can see what it looks like. Ta-da! I'm not opening it. I'm just showing you what it looks like. Okay. That's cool. Is this the last product? Yep. Hello! This is one of my favorite brands. It's taking everything in me not to keep this, but this is for you. It's the Augustinus Butter, the shampoo. This is really good. This is really good. I am a Sisley Hair Ritual stan. You know that, mainly because it's the longest hair care system that I've been using, but this is really good as well. I did give the Guerlain a chance. I'm still using it, still loving it, but this is actually a really good shampoo. It's got the TFC8 in it. It's great for your scalp. It does a great job, and I'm actually really happy that this is in here. Wow, okay. Really nice goodies, and that's it. That's it. Let's do a quick recap, and I'm just gonna say it right now, there's one thing I'm gonna keep. Just one, I have to. So the DANESSA MYRICKS glaze, ColorFix glazes. This is like an all over eyes, cheeks, lips kind of product. Pink Ice, another all over universal product. This one from HINDASH, the Color Fluid. The Sonia G Sheer Buffer Brush, the smaller version, again, beside the full size. The VISEART palette. This is really pretty. This is a pretty color story. It's been a while since I got a VISEART palette, but I remember their quality being really good. The SUPERGOOP Glowscreen. I think we can hold it in one hand. Augustinus Butter, the shampoo. This eye kit from Good Molecules. This 5-pack of scrunchies. These are all of the goodies that I'm going to give away to one of you. Now, the one thing that I'm going to keep is this. This looked interesting, and I'm very much wanting to check it out. Try it out and use it. And I figured, you know what? I can keep one thing, right? You guys don't mind. This just seemed really interesting. So this is a Swedish minimalistic beauty brand that goes beyond clean. Founded in 2018. I didn't even know anything about this brand. Sustainability at its core creates timeless, multifunctional products that combine High performance and convenient beauty with the healing power of wild, harvested, certified organic ingredients. Each formula is crafted in small batches using raw materials, preservatives extracted from minerals, wild plants, and flowers, minimizing waste and supporting small-scale farmers. To simplify your beauty and enhance it. I love that. So the shade that we got is described as a rosy brown with a creamy finish. I feel like this is gonna look so pretty on the lips and the cheeks. This is giving so pretty for your everyday. Oh, wow. We must try. Hold on, y'all. Let me remove my lip. And let's try this. This looks so pretty. I love that color. It's mine, so I'm just gonna go in with my finger. Yeah. Doesn't feel that hydrating, but I mean, there's that. I want to try this on. I mean, I already have blush on, but I mean, let's just try it. Hello. These type of products I love in the mornings when I'm just putting on a little something. Okay, I know I have on makeup, but that's pretty. That's pretty. You know, something like this, you just dab your brush, put it on your face, put it on the eyes. Okay. This is gonna be nice on like a very light, no makeup day. I'm happy I kept that. Thank you. So here's everything that I got. Well, minus this in my 2026 lucky bag. A nice little variety, and I think a nice little set of goodies for one of you. I will have the rules, the details, all the things listed down below in the description box. I always like to do silent giveaways. These are not things I announce. My intent in doing things this way is to give to someone who genuinely wants to watch and hang out with me. The lucky bags are fun. They're meant to be a surprise. I think if you're someone who's constantly, you know, making purchases from Beautylish throughout the year and never missing a new drop, you might not be as excited. But for someone who occasionally shops on Beautylish or buys beauty in general, this is very, 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 very exciting. And I love that I could share this with one of you, literally. So again, details, rules for this will be listed down below. And again, it's silent, it's not announced. Let's keep it that way, shall we? So I packed everything back up for you. I'm gonna make it nice. You get all the pretty paper and all the things. Okay. I'll fix it, but yay. Thank you for letting me share my lucky bag with you. If you've enjoyed today's video, please take a moment and give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. Stay beautiful, guys. I will see you very, very soon. Ah, my other hand.